Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 10 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you click on scroll down to grade 10 math and then click on there you can find a list of the chapters beginning to start with the chapter angles. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I'm on grade 10 math. The chapter we are on right now is angles. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is angle vocabulary. Okay, let's just start with the lesson. At this angle, what is the vertex? You have to find the vertex of the angle. So vertex is the point where you have both the rays common, right? Vertex is the point that is common to both the rays, right? Like W is the vertex because at W is the point that is common. W is the vertex. The next one is look at the angle. What is the vertex? So vertex is the common point, so that is T. So for this angle, the vertex is T. Let's just start with the test questions. Look at this angle. What is the vertex? So which is the correct option? The correct option is U. U is the vertex, right? The point that is common to both the rays is the vertex, so that is U. The correct option is U. Okay, look at this angle. What is the vertex? Which is the correct option? The correct option is X is the vertex. The correct option is X. Look at this angle. What is the vertex? Which is the correct option? The correct option is D. Option number one is the correct option. Look at this angle. What is the vertex? Which is the correct option? The correct option is D. D is the vertex. Look at this angle. What is the vertex? Which is the correct option? The correct option is W is the vertex, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me move on to next lesson. That's too easy, right? Okay, the next one is angle measures. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, look, what is the measurement of this angle? So you are given the, you have to find the angle measurement. So just look at the rays. One of the ray is match up to lined up with 0, right? And the other one you have to measure on the angle. The other one is lined up with 40 degrees, right? So that is you have to lined up from 0. So look at the outer side, that is 40 degrees. The correct option is 40 degrees. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. What is the measurement of this angle? Okay, so you have to measure the angle. One of the line is already lined up with 0. So you the angle on the outer side. So that this one is lined up with 170 degrees. So option number 1 is the correct option. The correct option is 170 degrees. So the correct option is 170 degrees. What is the measurement of the angle? So which is the correct option? The correct option is one of the line is lined up with a 0. So then you have to measure the angle on the inner side, right? So that is 5 degrees. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the measurement of this angle? The correct option is 60 degrees. Option number one is the correct option. What is the measurement of the angle? The correct option is yes, 15 degree. It is option number one is the correct option. What is the measurement of this angle? So which is the correct option? The correct option is 105 degrees. Option number two is the correct option. What is the measurement of this angle? The correct option is 80 degrees. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is identify complementary, supplementary, vertical, adjacent, and congruent angles. Let's just start with the next lesson. What is an angle that is complementary to angle 6? So complementary angles are the angles that sum up to 90 degrees, right? Here is angle 6. Complementary angles are the angles that sum up to 90 degrees, right? So angle number 6 and angle number 1, when you add them together, they add up to 90 degrees, right? So complementary angles sums to 90 degrees. So angle 6 and angle 1 are the complementary angle because they sum up to 90 degrees, right? Let's just start with the test questions. What is an angle that is supplementary to angle EGA? So which is the supplementary angle to EGA? Supplementary angles are the angles that sums up to 180 degrees, right? EG, that is EGA, right? That is A, B, C, or D, G, E. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is angle that is complementary to angle 6? So which angle is complementary to angle 6? Complementary angles are the angles that sums up to 90 degrees, right? The correct option is angle 1 or angle 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. Other than itself. Other than itself, which angle is congruent to angle BEC? Okay, BE. Have to find the congruent angle to BCE. BE, BEC, right? That is DEA. Option number one is the correct option, right? The congruent angle is DEA. What? Which angle is vertical to angle GHF? So the vertical angle to GHF is vertical angles are the angles that are opposite to each other when two lines intersect each other, right? So when two lines intersect each other, okay, angle GHF. So the opposite angle is AEB. No, that is BHA. Option number one is the correct option, right? The vertical angle is option number one, that is BHA, because this angle and this angle are opposite to each other. So angle BHA is the vertical correct option. The correct option is on 11. Option number two is the correct option. Angle 9 and angle 11 are vertical angles, right? What? Which angle is vertical to angle 2? The correct option is vertical to angle 2 is angle 5. The correct option is angle 5. Which angle is adjacent to angle CDA? That is ADB. Option number 2 is the correct option. Other than itself, which angle is congruent to angle 1, which is the correct option? That is angle 4 is the correct option, right? What is an angle that is adjacent to angle 5? So, which is the correct option? Adjacent angles are the one that are right next to the angle, right? The correct option is adjacent to 5 is angle 1 and angle 4. Okay, you can come. Okay, we are left with just one question from the lesson. So, let's just finish. Other than itself, which angle is congruent to angle 1? So, which is the correct option? That is 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just start with the next lesson. The next lesson is find measures of complementary, supplementary, vertical, and adjacent angles. Let's just start with the next lesson. What is the value of angle V, which is the correct option? So angle B and 63 sums up to 90-degree, right? You have to find the measurement of angle V. So 63 V is 90-degree. Stack 63 other sides so equals 27 degrees. The correct option is V. The measure of an angle is 155 degrees. What is the measurement of supplementary angle? So supplementary angle means the angles that sums up to 100 degrees, right? So one angle is 155. You have to find missing angle and that sums to you need to find the V. So just subtract 155 other side, right? 25. Option number one. The correct option is 25 degrees. What the measure of an angle is 34 degrees. What is the measure of the supplementary angle? So which is the correct option? That is 34 plus the supplementary angle and this sums up to 180 degrees, right? So x equals 180 is the correct option. The correct option is 140 degrees. Option number 2 is the correct option. The measure of an angle is 11 degrees. What is the measure of a complementary angle? So which is the correct option? That is 79 degrees. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the value of angle C, which is the correct option? That is 61 degrees. Option number 1 is the correct option. The measure of an angle is 14 degrees. What is the measure of a supplementary angle? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 166 degrees. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the value of n, which is the correct option? The correct option is that is 115 degrees. Option number 2 is the correct option. The measure of an angle is 76 degrees. What is the measure of a complementary angle? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 14 degrees. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 10 math. The chapter we were working on is angles. The lessons we have covered today are angle vocabulary, angle measures, identify complementary, supplementary, vertical, adjacent, and congruent angles, find measures of complementary, supplementary, vertical, and adjacent angles. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions of the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. Okay, so that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.